இப்போ புஷ்கர் சந்தையில் இருக்கேன் நான் இப்போது. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய கடைகளில் வந்து குதிரைக்கு தேவையான மொத்த பொருளும் கிடைக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து இந்த கடைக்கு நான் வந்திருக்கேன். ஸோ இந்த கடையில் என்னென்ன விஷயம் இருக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மோஸ்ட்லி குதிரைக்கு தேவையான எல்லா விதமான எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் அக்சசரிஸ் எல்லாம் நிறைய கிடைக்குது. ஸோ என்னென்ன இருக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. ஸோ இந்த கடைக்காரர்கிட்டே போய் கேட்டேன் பெட்டராக இருக்குன்னு தோணுது. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் கோ ஆன் இன்சைட் அண்ட் லெட்ஸ் டாக் டு ஹிம் நவ்.
Sir, my name is Vikram. I am from Kanpur, and we are manufacturers of all types of equestrian products, which is need for horses or riders, riding clubs, riding societies.
Okay. Just explain me about what are the things that is available here completely one by one, so that everyone can understand easily with that.
Okay. First of all, come here. It's called riding boots, professional riding boots, made of pure leather. The upper side made of pure leather and the underside knee, both are pure leather. It's cost 3,500, and a bigger size like 10, 12, it cost 4,500, 5,000 approx. Pure leather. Second thing, we have a saddle set here. Can you please show this saddle set? The saddle made of synthetic leather. It's cost 2,000 rupees only. Only saddle, and whole set cost 3,000. The set contains a saddle, stirrup leathers, strap irons, this girth belt, it's called girth belt, and the saddle pad. All 5 together cost 3,000 rupees. Here we have kids saddle. Kids saddle, you can call it kids saddle or beginner saddle. The rider who rides first time, he can hold this handle. It's a stable handle and he feels safe. It's made of pure leather. It costs 4,500 rupees. And we have this endurance saddle. It's called endurance saddle. You can see it's a double layer seat. The first one and the second under one. It costs 6,000. Only saddle. Set will cost 7,000 rupees. And come here, I'll show you few more things. It's called girth belt, pure leather, pure double layer leather. Can you zoom it and it's finishing? So it's finishing. Yes, you can see it's finishing. And its hardware is made of steel. No, all rust proof. No rust at all. We have half pads here. You can place it between saddle pad and saddle. First you should put this saddle pad on horse, then place it, and then you can put saddle. It feels comfortable for rider and for horse both. And here we had it's called Tandon boot. It cost 450 rupees pair. Let me show you how it's wear to horse. It's for horses front legs, back side, like this. Front leg, back side. It's called bell boot or cornet boots. It's for hoof protecting. It's protect horses' hoofs. It's it's called lunging rope. You can lunge with this. Its length is 8 meter, like a pole in the middle. You can one end attach with pole, and another hook is attached with the neck, and horse will round like this. We have this body protector. It's rider wear it while riding. It protects rider's body when it falls from horse. It costs 1,250 rupees. Another model is 1050, 1050 rupees. Here we have 6 buckle girth belt. It's called girth belt.
How much is costing there?
It's a 350. Sir, like this, the same purpose as I shown you that yellow one. Yeah. It fixes saddle from bottom of horse. For the best thing we have here, it is very much popular and very much useful. The most selling item here, it is called a show halter, made of pure leather. It's all hardware are brass. With the iron hardware, it cost 1050, and with the brass hardware, it cost 1250 rupees. Colors are available. Pink color also available, and on order we can make black, brown, tan, whatever color your buyer needs. And here we have, it's called muzzle. For those horses who bites, you can put this on horse. A horse can't bite now. Here we have a dog rug. It's waterproof from the upper side and polyfill, very warm material inside. Here we have a bridle with rein. It's called bridle with rein. It's where it puts on horse, and it is called rein, which rider holds like this. This is the same thing, bridle with rein, made of nylon. It's waterproof. And here we have horse holding rope. This one is normal one. You can here we give handle like this. You can hold it. And another one is this one. It cost is 200. The normal one. And here we have another one, which is used for. It is called jerk extensor, which protects rider and horse from the jerk. It absorbs jerk.
How much is the cost for that comparatively with that?
Sir, it's a 250 rupees 50 difference. It is called show saddle. It's called miniature saddle. You can place it in office, club or home, and you can hang it like this in your car. It cost 1000 rupees, made of pure leather. And there have stirrups, 3 designs. It's a 300 pair, 450 pair, 200 pair. And belts, it's excluding belts. Belt costs 650, 100, 450. And we have sticks here. Actually, most of the sticks are sold out, which is very unique one. The simple one is with me now. It cost 100 rupees. This one, this one made of fiberglass, which is not breaks easily.
Unbreakable.
Yes, it's unbreakable. It cost 350. Here we have cowboy hats. It cost 250. Very unique, very popular now. Here we have bandage set. It's called bandage set. It's this packet is 300 rupees, all 4 legs. We have blankets here, horse blanket, like this horse blanket. It's 750. Many designs available. It's waterproof. It's waterproof material filled with polyfill, wool, very warm and waterproof. It's 1650. Many designs available material. It's 1450, 1650. Here we have, it's called chest belt. It attaches from saddle, and it comes from between the horse's leg and attaches with the girth belt. One more thing, we have horse boot set. This horse boot sets, I shown you earlier the front leg back side like this, and this smaller one is for back leg side like this. It's called ankle boots.
Okay.
That is called tendon boot. This one tendon boot, this ankle boot. Here we have one more thing I forgot to show you. It's called sham bomb, very popular now. Sham bomb. It is used for horses training purpose. Few horses runs like, and it allows horses to walk in the proper way. You can fix it on bridle's head. It comes one knee, one hook attaches with this, another one is comes from this side and attaches with the snaffle, both sides, and this goes into girth belt. Yeah, it's the last one. It's called breast collar with martingale. This one piece works like two, breast collar and martingale both.
நம்ம புஷ்கர் சீரீஸ் ஜேர்னியில் நம்ம நிறைய யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான விஷயங்களோட ட்ராவல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். எல்லா இடத்துலேருந்தும் மக்கள் இங்கே வந்து தங்களின் வளர்ப்பு பிராணிகளுக்கு தேவையான பொருட்களை வாங்கிட்டு போகிறாங்க. ஹோல்சேலாக இங்கே கிடைக்கிறதுனால நிறையா வியாபாரிங்க இந்தியாவோட பல இடத்துலேருந்து வந்தும் இங்கே வாங்கிட்டு போகிறாங்க. ஹோல்சேல் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் வந்து இங்கே டேரெக்டாக மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் பண்ணுற கம்பெனிக்கிட்டேருந்து கஸ்டமர்ஸுக்கு டேரெக்டாகவும் இங்கே வாங்க முடியுது. குதிரைங்களுக்கு ஃபேமஸான இந்த பிளேஸில் இந்தியாவோட ஃபேவரட் முர்ரா வகையை சேர்ந்த ஸ்ட்ராங்கஸ்ட் புல்லும் இடம்பெற்று இருந்துச்சு. அதை பற்றின முழு இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் எபிசோடில் பார்க்கலாம்.